Lip Mask Gel Care Repairing Lip Mask Diminishes Lip Lines Lip Balm Hydrating Moisturizing Anti-Dry Crack Primer Lip Care Makeup. Specification. Ingredients: white pond flower seed oil, avocado butter, hydroxyasiaticoside, etc. Shelf life: 3 years. Production date: recent. Net content: 8 g. Size: 2 to 10.5 cm. Apply to lips. Efficacy: fade lip lines, improve dry lip muscle, bright dark lip color. Suitable for all skin types. The package includes 1 lip cream. Description: multi-repair, white pond flower seed oil, avocado butter, hydroxyasiaticoside. Usage: med.